Okay, these birds fell off of these cones, so I'm going to put them back on. What? How did that happen? Whoa, that's crazy. How are those cool birds balancing? The center of mass is that there's this, it's all because of the center of mass. There's the same amount of stuff on this side and this side, but whereas there's more on this side and less on that side.
Do you want to spin them?
Sure. Whoopsie. I made him fall off.
That's okay. Is there any glue or magnets or special tricks to them?
No. Ta-da! There has to be some sort of special trick to them.
Can you balance it on your finger?
Yep.
Wow. Just flies there. Whee!
Whee! Whoa! Oopsie! Can the cone balance on your finger? Whoa!